Take this opportunity to share my interview experience with you. IBM, that is International Business Machine Corporation, is an American multinational technology and consulting firm. It basically manufactures and markets computer hardware and software products. It also offers infrastructure, hosting, and consulting in the products ranging from mainframe computers to nanotechnology. It was a 2-day process. The process started with the company's presentation. They told about the company and what profile are they offering us. They told about what we are going to work there. And then we had a written test. The written test was of 1 hour, and it basically comprised of two types of questions. One was of series questions, 20 questions on series. Uh, Various types of sequences were given, and you have to write down the next number in it. And the second type of question was on statements. Uh, two statements were given, and you basically need to tell that if it can be answered using the question asked can be answered using the above two statements. After this test, a shortlist was announced, and the shortlisted students underwent another test on English. The test was of 20 minutes, and it was very simple test. I completed it in within 10 minutes. And after that also another shortlist was announced, and after that basically the process for the day was over, and they did document verification of all the students. As the cutoff was 65%, they also refused many candidates whose percentage was not up to the mark. The next day we had interview. My interview lasted for about 10 minutes. As such, he didn't ask me any technical question. His main focus was, since I belong to electronics and communication branch and IBM is an IT consulting firm, so his main focus was that if I am ready, if I am willing to join an IT consulting firm or not. So I told him that I have done a lot of programming stuff. My projects also include some programming. So he was so far convinced. Then he asked me about many other languages like Java, Hadoop, etc. I told him that I don't know all these languages, but I'm willing to learn if given proper training. So he was also convinced with that. And then he asked me about my family background and normal HR questions. That's it. And the interview process was done. After the interviews, in the evening, the final result was announced, and I was one of the successful candidates. I would like to give the viewers a couple of suggestions to crack IBM interview. First of all, actually they give preference to circuital branches. So if you are from one of the circuital branch, maybe electronics, electrical, computer, IT, then you are definitely given a preference. You definitely have an edge over others. But if you belong to a non-circuital branch, then I would suggest you that you do some of the programming stuff, maybe a couple of projects. You can take help from the circuital branches guys. And another suggestion that I would like to give to all of you, that maintain a decent percentage, maybe above 70, because they give a lot of preference to the candidates who have a high percentage. And yeah, the third and the most important suggestion is be confident during the interview. That is the most important thing. Even if you are speaking something not that is not truth, speak with confidence. Then, like, when I convinced him that I belong to electronics branch and I can work as in a software company, I also spoke something that was not truth. So maybe you can like fake at that moment, but with confidence. So that's it about the interview process.